Let's prepare on the TNPSC AE 2019 question paper. So question 1, when the cement content and workability are kept constant. Question 1, when the cement content and workability are kept constant, the greater proportion of fine aggregate will be required if, so they have given some 4 conditions. So here, when the fine aggregate has to be increased means when the size of the aggregates are very small. Okay, so here the option is maximum size of aggregate is small means we have to increase the proportion of the fine aggregate. Then question 2, admixtures which cause yearly setting and hardening of concrete are called as what? So yearly setting, so it means the fastening of the setting, no? So it is done by the accelerators, and retarders means it slow downs the setting. Okay, so these accelerators are used in cold climate areas and retarders will be used in hot climate areas because so that the setting of the concrete is done perfectly. And the other two options, if you see, workability admixture and super plasticizer, both are nearly same. This is for increasing or to give a good workability of the concrete. 3. The yield strength of the structural TMT steel bar is about 415. And the fourth question, in the context of town planning, the bylaw must be revised in every 10 to 15 years. Question 5. Brick containing a large proportion of soluble salts liable to become patches of white deposit are called as what? So it is called as efflorescence. So this efflorescence we'll be seeing in the pipe systems in the environmental engineering also, because due to the salt deposits the pipes will be having this efflorescence. And question number 6, we have to match the list 1 with list 2. So they have given the fineness of cement and what we want to find in the list 1 and the apparatus or the method used to find those things in the list 2. So if you see here, option C is the right answer. So fineness of cement, it is done by air permeability apparatus. And B, that is the setting time. So setting time is done with Bickert's apparatus. Consistency also done by this Bickert apparatus only. Okay, and then workability is done by slump cone method. Soundness is done by Lee Chatelier apparatus. Question 7. Consider the following strength of concrete and we have to arrange it in an increasing order of strength. So increasing order means the lowest should be first. Okay, so out of these 4, the split tensile strength will be your very lowest, and then the modulus of rupture, and then the cylinder strength, and then only the cube strength. So usually cube will be more strengther than the cylinder due to the slenderness ratio, because this only plays a major role here. As the slenderness ratio increases, the strength will be decreasing. So as in cylinder the slenderness increases, its strength also is getting reduced by nearly 20%. So normally we will be doing 80% of the cube strength will be equal to the cylinder strength, like that. Question 8. The effect of the air entrainment in concrete is to increase the resistance to freezing and thawing, improve the workability, and also it decreases strength. So we know that air entrainment is known for its workability property only, so that we definitely know. When you look for other two properties, in the very cold areas they use this air entraining method so as the setting is reduced, that is setting time is prolonged. So it increases the resistance of freezing and also thawing so that it can get a stability of the concrete there, and also it decreases the strength nearly of some 3 to 7% only. Okay, so if we want to purposely decrease the strength means you can use it directly, or when the strength has not to be reduced like that, if you are thinking means the design strength should be increased such that it should tolerate this air entrainment. Question 9, this is also matching the list with list 2 is given. So here it is given water to cement ratio, water content, minimum cement content, and the right side they have given durability, compressed. So how it is related, so that we want to find now. So the first option, that is water to cement ratio, so it is a main property for the compressive strength, because with respect to the compressive strength the water cement ratio differs. and also the water content. So water content means it is particularly talking about the workability. Okay, so it is workability. Then minimum cement content. So cement is that is when you are talking about cement alone, it is directly proportional to the strength. So here strength is not given, so you can go for the next option, that is durability. And the fourth one is segregation. So segregation means it is due to stability of the mix. If it is not good means, then segregation will be happening. And also for water cement ratio, no, so generally we'll be taking 1:2:4 for M15 concrete, and 1:1.5:3 for M20 concrete. Whereas if you are decreasing means the ratio will be increasing. That is, if it is M10 means it is 1:3:6. M7.5 means it is 1:4:8, like that it will be in the following order. So based on the water cement ratio only, the compressive strength of the concrete varies in a major thing. Question number 10, the sound which contains even after the source is cut off. So it is called as reverberation. Thank you and keep watching.